After the fan is installed, arrange the wires and fix them all with zip ties. Fix the control box in the right position. Also, organize the wires. Fix all the extra wires with zip ties. Remove the saddle. Remove all the screws. Remove the original panel. And transplant the original sensor to our ventilation panel. Use the original car's clips. There are 6 in total. Get power from the power cord. Remember to hide all the wires. The ventilation cable is routed in the same way as the screen. Use a pry bar to pry open the position of the storage box. And the side of the driver's seat should be pried open. Pass the power cable of the panel from bottom to top. Stuff the excess wires in and hide them. Leave a small section of the panel plug. Hide the signal cable along the edge. Disassemble the rear air outlet. Find the panel signal plug. Plug the ventilation panel plug directly. Plug in the ventilation panel to power on. And the installation is complete.